If Monday.com is showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes you can try right away. These steps are simple, safe, and they usually solve most common loading or access issues without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's jump in. First, try refreshing the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch or reconnect to the server. If the error is still there after refreshing, the next step is to sign out of your Monday.com account completely, then sign back in. This can reset your session and fix login or permission problems. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Monday.com to fail loading properly. Try switching to a different network if you can, such as moving from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot, or from one Wi-Fi network to another. This is a very common fix when the app keeps timing out or won't load boards correctly. Next, browser extensions can sometimes interfere with Monday.com, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. To test this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any ad blockers or suspicious extensions. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and see if the issue is gone. If it works after that, one of those extensions was likely causing the problem. Another thing to try is turning off your VPN or proxy service. Some VPNs can block parts of Monday.com or cause security checks to fail. Once the VPN or proxy is off, refresh the page again and check whether the error disappears. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If you're still having trouble, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Then select Cache and Cookies, clear them, and restart your browser. This step removes old stored data that may be conflicting with Monday.com and helps the site load fresh information. After clearing the cache and restarting, go back to Monday.com and sign in again. In most cases, one of these steps will resolve the issue. The full order to follow is refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, check your internet or switch networks, disable browser extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, and finally clear cache and cookies. If the error still continues after all of that, it may be a temporary Monday.com service issue, and you may want to try again later or check their status page. But most of the time, one of these quick fixes will get you back in working order. I hope this helped you fix the Monday.com error quickly and safely. If it did, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.